The next topic is genetic engineering. The genetic engineering technique is used to manipulate and transfer the genes from one organisms to another organisms to create a new DNA. So that DNA is called as a rDNA or recombinant DNA. Then it is used to alter the genetic structure of organisms. At the same time, it identify, replicate, modify and transfer the genetic material. The first recombinant DNA molecule was found by Paul Burke in 1972. So what he did? He combined the DNA from monkey virus and lambda virus. That is, the monkey virus DNA is going to combine with the lambda virus. So this is the genetic engineering. The next topic is techniques of genetic engineering. So what are all the basic requirements? So the first requirement is a plasmid. Plasmid is a small circular double-stranded DNA molecule found in a bacterial cell. What is the usage of this plasmid? It replicates independently along with the chromosomal DNA. The next, restriction enzymes. This is the enzyme. It recognizes the specific base pair of DNA and it going to cut or break the DNA at a specific site. So that site is called as a restriction site. So for that cutting process, it is also called it as a molecular scissors. The next, DNA ligases. It is also one of the enzyme. It is used to ligate or join the broken DNA fragments. Then next, the main process is gene cloning. So gene cloning is a process used to create exact copies of DNA fragments, cells or a whole organisms. So that is called as a gene cloning. So that exact copy of an individual is called as a clone. The first cloned animal is a female sheep. So that is a dolly. The name is a dolly in the year 1996. Then what are all the basic steps involved in a gene cloning? The first step is a isolation of desired DNA. So which DNA we have to clone? So that is we have to find out first. Then the insertion of DNA fragment into a suitable vector or a plasmid to make a rDNA, that is a recombinant DNA molecule. The next, that produced rDNA molecule is going to transfer into a bacterial cell. So that is called it as a transformation. After that, the selection and multiplication of recombinant. So it is occurred in a host cell. Then finally we get the clone. Then the expression of cloned gene in a host cell. So this is the basic steps involved in a gene cloning. Next, the process of gene cloning. It is a insulin production. The human cell, from the human cell, the insulin produced site is going to identified and cutted with the restriction enzyme. Then it is going to ligate with the plasmid of bacterial cell. It is going to ligated. Then it going to insert into a bacterial cell. It produce the so many copies of insulin production genes. Then finally we get the insulin production in a large scale. Okay. Thank you.